All right. This morning we're replacing a cutting edge and all 5 shanks on this bucket. Got all our materials right here. We're gonna start by getting this thing cleaned up a little bit, get the torches out, get this old stuff off of here, and we'll start fitting this stuff up. Out here at a farm this morning in Sherborne. It's beautiful. Get some preheat going. Get a little heat in this material so I get a nice clean cut. All right, guys, got a bunch of preheat in this thing, and I started chopping through here. Got pretty nasty over here. I definitely still need more heat. And we started rolling. Get a nice wide cut here, a wiggle back and forth. Try and open up the kerf because there's always dirt stuck in these things. Cut on this side of the weld so I can go back and cut the weld out nice and straight next. I'll have a lot more heat and less material to deal with. Have this thing out of here pretty soon. So far, I got a 60-10 root because I keep about, I don't know, a 3/16 gap so I can get all the way in past my bevels. Got a 70-18 hot pass on top of that and another fill so far. Still keeping a good temp. Yeah, I just got done welding there. Perfect. Keep rolling here. All right, got the back of this cutting edge all welded in. Finish that off with a big fat weave. Get something like 6 passes in there of 5/30 seconds, 70-18. Starting to get my shanks tacked up here. Got my outsides in my middle. One thing to look for when you're running these outside shanks, you always want to put a tooth on and make sure that the edge of your tooth is going to protect your bucket. You see, it's right in line. Start welding these in and keep making more progress. All right, all done here. Not putting the retainers in these teeth yet because this thing's still about 300 degrees. And I don't want to melt the plastic. That's a wrap. 6 hours later. And about 15 pounds of 70-18.